Do you know that there are other ways you can get your 1000 subscribers without collabing? I made a video days back on how to get your 1000 subscribers with collabing. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you on how to get your 1000 subscribers without collabing. Yes, getting subscribers here on YouTube can be very difficult when you are just starting, because many creators upload videos and get little subscribers, get little growth here on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get 1000 subscribers without collabing. The truth is that getting 1000 subscribers is possible if you use these strategies I'm going to show you on this video. There are several strategies I'm going to show you here on YouTube. It has helped a lot of channels to grow here on YouTube to get their subscribers faster. So stay tuned in this video. If you are coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Tutor Blush. In my channel, we learn and grow together. So stay tuned in this video to get the 7 strategies on how to get your 1000 subscribers without collabing. Number 1, choose the right niche. Focus on one clear topic you're going to be teaching here on YouTube. In YouTube, posting random content, posting random topic confuse your subscribers, confuse the algorithm, confuse your audience. So choose one clear niche that you'll be teaching. If you want to educate people on tech, you go ahead. Motivational niche, you go ahead. And prayer niche or YouTube niche, any niche you want to go, educational niche, but choose one clear niche, because random niche here on YouTube confuse your audience and algorithm. Then they will get confused. They don't know the particular thing you are teaching. So engage your audience in the particular niche you are teaching that you know very well that this is what I can deliver. So choose a clear niche to teach here on YouTube. Number 2, create searchable content. Make video of what people are already searching for. You know that creating a searchable content help YouTube to push your video. When people search that topic, your video will appear at the top. Your video will be among those that will appear first, so that the people your audience can watch your video, and it also helps YouTube to push your video to different viewers, to push your video to different countries, so they can be able to watch your video. Number 3, use powerful title. Yes, use a powerful title. A powerful title helps your video to get click. It helps your video to get view here on YouTube. So use a powerful title. And when you are creating your title, you shouldn't make it that long. When your title is too long, so people like when they want to view, when they want to click on your video, the title is short and it's straight to the point. You see that particular video will have a lot of audience. So choose a good title. Create a strong title, a title that is engaging, a title that algorithm will see and push this video. So choose a clear title. Number 4, design a clickable thumbnail. I keep saying this. You see, the eyes will eat before the mouth. So when your thumbnail appears very fine, very well, you see people want to click on that video. When you design a very good thumbnail, people want to watch this video. They want to see what is inside this video. So design a very powerful thumbnail. Just look at this thumbnail here. How do you see it? You see how they designed it. So a good thumbnail generate a lot of views, generate subscribers, generate much click on your channel. So generate a powerful thumbnail. You can use Canva to design your thumbnail. You can use ChatGPT to design your thumbnail. So generate a powerful thumbnail so that you can get subscribers, can get your views, and also get click on that video. Number 5, upload consistently. Consistency here on YouTube is very important. When you upload here on YouTube, when you upload consistency here on YouTube, YouTube push your video. They push your video gets more likes. There is chances for that video to get subscribers fast. There are chances for that video to get more views. before 24 hours now, when algorithm detect that this person, that this channel is always posting, that day they will start recommending your videos, even though your videos are not getting views, even though your videos are not getting subscribers. But when you are consistent, algorithm will push your video. Algorithm will push your video to the rightful viewers. The more video you upload, the more chances you have here on YouTube. Number 6, ask your viewers to subscribe. Yes, a lot of people enjoy a video, they keep watching, then they forget to subscribe. Ask them politely, ask them quietly, ask them, please subscribe to my channel. Because me too, I do that sometimes. I watch videos, I forget to subscribe. Later I'll start searching for the channel to subscribe to. Is later I'll go and subscribe to that channel. So try subscribe to the channel. Ask your viewers, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comments. Always remind your viewers to subscribe to your channel. It's very important. It helps your channel to also grow fast. It helps your channel to get views. It helps your channel to get engagement here on YouTube. Number 7, the PowerPoint to grow very fast here on YouTube is number 7, upload YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts gives you 90% to grow fast here on YouTube. When you're uploading YouTube Shorts, your video is going viral. You see a lot of people will subscribe on your channel. Another way to get subscribers is here now. The main PowerPoint of this video is to upload on YouTube Shorts. Keep uploading on your Shorts. Shorts helps you to get subscribers. It helps you to get view. Then when you upload on Shorts, the next thing you should do, link it with your previous video relating to the topic you upload on that short. So when you upload on short on any topic, link it to your long video, so that once they watch the short finish, they want to continue watching that particular video to the end. So they will go to the long video and watch the long video on what you are teaching on that short video. Can reach thousands of viewers even though that channel is new. Short is another powerful point to push your video very well, even though you don't have any subscribers. Once you create short, you get a lot of views, but short is another power point to get subscribers very fast. In 24 hours, when you're uploading short, you can get your 1000 subscribers here on YouTube in 24 hours while uploading shorts. Your first 1000 subscribers here on YouTube take time, but it is possible if you follow these steps. These steps have shown you to follow. If you follow these steps, it's possible to get your 1000 subscribers here on YouTube with short and every other thing I've shown you in 24 hours. It is possible. And if you find this video very helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tutor Gloss for more YouTube growth tips here on this channel. Don't forget to comment below how many subscribers do you have on your channel. So see you on my next video. Bye.